Okay, this is how to make sure that the surface is straight. I just want to clean out this nut. And I have this tool which I usually use for improving the surface. It's like a ball bearing, but this time I put it this way around. And I press against it. The chuck is not completely tight. And then once I think it's straight, then I tighten it up. Then if I take it out, I start it again. You can see it's running through. Now I can clean up the surface. So that's a very simple tool, useful for improving the surface, like a burnishing tool, but also for getting it flush.